Hello guys
We are back for English time. The word for today is ประชาสัมพันธ์ PR. PR. What does PR stand for?
It stands for public relations. It stands for public relations.
We are public relations team. We are public relations team.
We are here to learn about local wisdom. Local wisdom ภูมิปัญญาท้องถิ่น
We have learned a lot, including how to make a fishing boat and clean the beach.
We help preserve the environment.
By recycling such as creating new useful items from old fishing net.
วันนี้พวกเราทุกคนไปก่อนนะคะ บ๊ายบาย